This video demonstrates the installation of any of Hardware Resources rollout products. Before installation, you may want to remove the cabinet door to allow more access. Unpackage the unit and familiarize yourself with your specific rollout. Remove the rollout from the base assembly by pressing the clips and lifting the unit outwards and upwards. Place the base centered inside of the cabinet, making sure that the plywood runner is tight against the back side of the face frame. For frameless and inset applications, set the runner back 3/4 of an inch. Secure the base with the provided number 6 by 1 inch Phillips drive coarse thread screws by screwing into the pre-drilled holes in the plywood runners. Place the rollout unit back onto the slides and press the unit all the way into the cabinet, making sure that the clips lock into the undermount slides. Operate the unit to ensure proper operation and clearances. For units with dividers or bottle grid, you can reposition them by removing the divider and swapping the metal dowel pins to the desired position and reinstalling the divider or grid. If you removed the door, you may reinstall it at this time.